Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back here with Max Kitchen. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make an evergreen pesto. This pesto will never turn black. It's a really special recipe. I'm gonna tell you why this pesto will never turn black. Basically, the heat from blanching basil leaves kills off the decomposing enzymes that makes the pesto turn brown. So you end up with a pesto that will never turn black. And it's amazing, guys. It's amazing because you don't need to stress out anymore. You can prepare this one in advance. It means the day before for the next day if you need. You can freeze it. And now I'm going to show you in a few minutes how you can make this amazing recipe. And now we are at the end of the video. The time is over and I want to try this pesto. Let's try it. Let's see. Guys, it's nice. I hope guys you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, and don't forget to watch some other videos that I put probably here, I don't know. Guys, I'll see you next time. See ya.